right, gang, I want to give you a little bit of a review today on the Aerotrunk shoe bag. Now, plain and simple, I'm a traveler. I love to travel, love to do some outdoor sports as well, hiking, scuba diving, things like that. But one of the things that means is that I constantly have dirty and wet shoes, which don't mix often with traveling, and that's where this comes in. This is a shoe bag specifically designed to handle your dirty, wet, gross, nasty shoes while you travel. The reason I picked up this specific brand is it is a nice large bag. You can see it does expand. It can hold shoes up to a size 16. So no matter who you are, no matter what size shoe you're wearing, this should fit well. Good strong zipper, good quality build, has a handle on it too, so you can actually strap this to the outside of a bag as opposed to putting on the inside if you want to, but you can throw it inside of your bag too, because this design of this actually protects your clothes from things like odor and wetness that your shoes might have. These, for instance, are covered in some red dirt from a recent hike, and I have no problem throwing these in there. They don't smell the greatest either after the hike, but I'll zip this up, throw it in my bag as I travel, and absolutely no worries. If you're looking for a good bag to hold your dirty shoes while you travel, I think this is the way to go. This is the shoe bag by Aerotrunk. Grab it today.